Students of English Express are making chart on all four forms of tenses what they learned in the last week. They have to work in teams and they ought to speak English while making the charts. Speak only English.
Present, perfect, continuous.
Present.
Present. You can write present here. Present, perfect, continuous. अभी
Speak only English. Speak only English.
He's so smart. Yeah.
English.
तो है बताशा मीठी मीठी सी है आशा चकले चकले से ढकले से
You write bro. Fast. Two parts. Okay.
Only vocab.
बारिश का घर
Ray. E also right. And C.
Right. Also write E.
Also right.
कोई क्यों भला
You write here. Past indefinite some past.
धूप है शम्से दिखा तू है नबी चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही
Speak only English. Abdul Azim, don't sit quietly. Speak. Make charts.
आसमां का रास्ता देखो खुल गया मिल गया खो गया था जो सितारा मिल गया रोशन हुई सारी जमीन जगमग हुआ सारा जहां उड़ने को तू आजाद है बंधन कोई अब है कहाँ धूप है शम्से दिखा तू है नदी बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं दिल खुश
Speak only English. Nobody is going to speak Hindi.
Hold this paper. Hold this paper. Hold this paper.
Where shall we write?
No, this is the coming outside.
Divide into two parts. Write in the singular and write in plural.
Plural.
Eraser. So please check. Please write all forms before.
Abdul Azim.
No, wait.
Abdul Azim, don't make alone. Take help of a team. Speak in English. Take help of a team. Zaid, help your partner, please.
खोलो खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे खूंटे से बंदी है हवा में लेके छोड़ा
बढ़िया.
आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपनी ही रंग लेके आसमां का शामियाना आज हमें सजाना
Students of English Express are practicing tenses with the help of this ESL activity. They are supposed to make charts using all forms of tenses.
दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए खुद को जरा पहचान धूप है झट से बिखर तू है नदी बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं दिल खुश
Hold this paper outside.
Speak only English. See, your writing is so poor. Continuous, 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 continuous.
मौसम का है मेहमान
Right here.
You have to class.
Yes, yes.
Class, Alvarish sir, please pause the music. Class,
Yes, yes.
class.
Yes, yes.
On Monday, you are supposed to explain me. Excuse me, stop drawing. Class, please stop drawing. On Monday, you all must answer my question. What you were doing, how you did that, what did you draw, and how you did it, and what were you doing it. Okay, sorry, what were you doing, how you did it, what did you draw, and how you did it. Okay,
Yes, sir.
answer these questions on Monday.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Start drawing. Sir, please. Alvarish sir,
Write this. Singular pronoun and plural pronoun.
pronounce.
Pronouns. Singular pronoun and plural pronouns.
Why you still late?
प्यास है बारिश का घर भी पास है
Sir.
So long. बड़ा बड़ा. So long.
आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपनी ही रंग लेके आसमां का शामियाना आज हमें सजाना क्यों इस कदर हैरान तो मौसम का है मेहमान
Guys, you only have last 10 minutes. I have a next batch. Inshallah. Will you bring?
Go fast. Please, go fast. Carry on, please, carry on. Go on, carry on. Go fast, very fast.
Draw fast. Lazim, why is it idle? Do something. What are you doing, man? Do something. Ajmal, help her. Give it to him. He'll draw. Ajmal, draw it now. Alvarish sir. What is this?
मौसम का है
You are supposed to only speak English, okay? You will not speak Hindi. Am I clear?
Okay, sir, okay.
Speak only English. I want the start to be done within 10 minutes. Thank you.
ताज़ी हंसने को राजी गर्मा गर्म सारी अभी अभी तैयार
Please go fast.
जिंदगी तो है बताशा भी नहीं मिली सी है नशा चकले बटले से
Hello, please. Please have a singular pronoun and plural pronoun.
Single pronouns.
तुझ में रोके तुझे कोई क्यों भला संग संग तेरे आकाश
Freezer.
तू धूप है हमसे निकल तू है नदी लो बेखबर बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं
What are you doing, Ajmal? Akmal, what are you doing? I'm drawing chart using tenses. Say, I am drawing chart using all tenses. Alberish sir, what are you drawing now?
Past perfect.
Alberish sir,
Past perfect continuous.
Give it
huh? What are you making?
So we are making a chart of past tense in all forms.
Okay. Umar, what is your team doing?
We will make past tense charts.
We are making.
We are making past tense charts.
What are you making, Suhat?
So we are also helping us.
Helping us, helping. We are helping one another. Adi, what are you doing?
Sir, I make line and
I am making.
I make.
Daniel, what are you doing?
Sir, I was writing simple present.
I am writing.
I am writing simple present.
Farman, what are you doing?
Sir, I am writing singular pronoun.
Single pronouns. Last 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes, class.